Like the birds are making a nest in my slide out canopy. I have to dig all that out of there and find a way to block the birds from getting back in there. I got a bird nest built in my canopy. I got to get all that out. I don't know if there's a way I can plug this opening, because this is all going to be open, probably big enough for a sparrow to get through here. I have to get all that out and then see what I can do. Looks like the best way to start it, reach up in there and get what I can. Now I need to clean the bird nest out of my bedroom slide. I need this hook for that. Dust all over me. That's about it. I need to spray that with a hose. And get the living room slide out. What I'm going to do is take some of this garden screening mesh, cut some off, and cover this hole. Now they can't get back in there between the slide out and the canvas. And you only have to do this during nesting season. You don't have to worry about it any other time of the year. Now I'm going to block the other sides with this mesh. Now I'm going to do my bedroom slide, block that hole where they can't get in. Okay, this is the last hole I have to plug on my bedroom slide. Don't have to worry about that till next spring. Now I used garden meshing that I have available, some extra, but you can use whatever you have laying around that will work just to plug the holes. And you only have to plug those holes in the springtime. Keep the birds from nesting inside of your slide out canvas.